Hi guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix the face unlock when it's not working on your OPPO Find X9 Pro. At first, have your phone unlocked. And what I do recommend doing at first is to get yourself the microfiber cloth or soft cloth, not necessarily microfiber, and clean the camera sensor here. Now, as you can see, wait a moment, the rest of the phone doesn't have to be clean. The most important thing is that camera here should be clean. Now you can check if your face unlock does work. If it does, that's nice, but if it doesn't, we have to go to the settings, go straight to the safety and security and privacy. Security and privacy, and go to the device unlock. Here, if we are in the device unlock, we have to tap on the face and fingerprint unlock. Tap face, enter your lock screen password, and now what you have to do is to tap delete face data. Tap delete and tap add face back again. Tap add now and keep your face within the frame over here. As you can see, that's it. We didn't have to do anything else. Tap done, and now let's check if it does work. It does. If it doesn't work for you, wait a moment. If it doesn't work for you, what I do recommend is to ensure good lighting during setup and use. As because when we have good lighting, everything will be clear for our camera to detect. And because our phone does not have LiDAR, as the iPhones, for example, does have. And as the final thing, if it doesn't work for you still, is to go straight to the settings over here, go to the main menu of the settings, and scroll the way down to the system and update. Here tap software update, and now here if you have some pending update your phone, because here you may have fixed your just bugs, because sometimes OPPOs and every other companies release quick security patches or just bug patches, etc., and it might be for you. And actually, that's it for this video. Goodbye and have a nice day.